Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and it is dark and it is cold. You know, I've had a taste of this winter, even though it's not even winter yet, it's still fall. And I would like to go to the summer season, please. Get my money back for this because I don't like it. Anyway, 111 more days, and we'll get to see spring. There's grass popping up and green and weeds and whatever else I have to fight with is better than this cold. Good morning, Harold. Today I just got a Shelby, a black lab. Yes. So Labradoodle went on a ride. So that's a good mama there. This pig is spoiled rotten. Yeah? Why are you spoiled? Okay, I'll give you something, but you just gotta hang on. Alright, girls. I hope you got some eggs for me today. Odo's on his way to pick up what was a goat house. So from the same place we got this one right here. Anyway, that way the boar has a place to get out of the weather. So right now, Penelope's not sharing because of her babies. Well, the birds are enjoying the straw, making a mess out of it. There's Harold eating with a couple of the babies. Gonna clean his water dish out. I'll do that a little bit later. A few things gotta do. Pigs like the cantaloupe. There's this grain down there too, so I'm digging through the hay. If you're looking for pigs, 2 of these piglets need a new home. Not for sure which 2 are the little black ones here. Then the ones out in another pen. It'll be a little while, but they'll be needing homes too. Almost all of them. Okay, head back to the house. It is cold. Come on, shall we do? Ran over. Ding dong. Back just in time. The fire's about to die. Ooh, it is cold out there. Odo's back. It's gonna take a lot of space in that pen. Okay, we got the goat house out of the pickup and into the pen. We got a pumpkin donated to us for the hogs, and they really like it. The little piglets are hiding in there. Pretty cold today. Well, I just got one more egg. So I guess this is the score of the day. Give Harold some beans. And Mama Piggy too, but the little ones came to get Harold's because Mama doesn't want to share. Okay, well, we're going to have to wrap this up. It's getting dark here. Well, darker, but it's awful cold out here, so I'll go ahead and close out for today. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.